I'm happy to say we are now 396 members here. Just give me a moment to start the video, share the screen. Vijay, are you able to hear Raja?
Yes, very well. Very.
Yes.
I think
I can hear him.
there in between.
Sorry?
Yeah. Hi, Raj. How are you?
Him. Yeah. Fine. How are you, Vijay bhai?
Very fine. Very fine. Rambhai, if you don't mind, can I welcome all the members?
Yeah. Please welcome, sir. That is your privilege as the president of Area Group.
Thank you so much for giving that honor. Welcome members from all parts of Mumbai. I think Mumbaikars have joined. If any other city association or city members have joined, welcome to them also. It is one of the biggest day for all of us that we are going to hear Realtor Ram Prasad Padi, how we can go into the social media and other tools we can use for our day-to-day business affairs. It's a good opportunity. I will request each and everyone to clearly participate, enjoy at the best, and we will be at a very ease when Rambhai will be teaching us. So enjoy the session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vijay bhai, and thank you to all my realtors across India. I know we have almost now 421 real estate agents. I have some chartered accountants. I have some other professionals also logged in from all over India, all the city associations across India. So a warm welcome to all of you, and please don't use anything on the screen. I think people are doing some annotation. I request people should not do any annotation which will have issues. Let me just set this up. Okay. So 7th May 2020, Thursday, a very important date for me. I am doing this online session for the first time in my life. In last 3 years, I have done close to 19 sessions on digital marketing training, on personal branding, social media across 12 cities in India. I visit all the NAR India affiliated associations and do training, but this is the first time that I am doing it online as a webinar format. We now have 448 participants here. Before I start, I would like to say that because this is the first time, I expect there will be some glitches. I'm not a very technical person as far as webinar goes, but please excuse us and bear with us. The essence is we want to give you a lot of knowledge today, which you will be able to use. So as you see on the screen, 7th May 2020, today's date, I remember another day of my life, which is 19th October 2018. Incidentally, that was also a Thursday. What happened was I was in Navi Mumbai in Nerul showing some properties to a client of mine when I get a call from a gentleman who calls me and asks me, is this Mumbai Properties? I say, yes, this is Mumbai Properties. He asked me, do you deal in BKC? Yes, sir. We deal in BKC. That is our core area. And suddenly he says, can you meet me now? So I look at the watch. It is 4:30 p.m. in the evening. And I'm like in Navi Mumbai going to BKC and then going home. So I was like, let me move him tomorrow. So I asked him, sir, can I meet you tomorrow? He says, tomorrow is Dashera and then Saturday is the holiday, Sunday. I was very curious to meet you. And let me tell you, the reason to meet you is we have an office in BKC in a building called The Capital, which we would like to sell. So that sounded like big music to my ears. And I said, I can come in some time and if you can wait. He says, I'm willing to wait, provided you meet me today. So long story short, I went and met him. This gentleman had one of the most beautiful offices in BKC, in the building called The Capital, 8,000 square feet, fully furnished corporate office. This gentleman happened to be the CFO of an MNC, which is worth 5,000 crores valuation today in the market. And I go, I meet him. Of course, I'm in my attire with professional suit and all that. And he's happy to see me. I exchange our cards. And the first question he asked me, you need to tell me, I was searching for buildings in BKC and all. And I saw your website on number 2 of Google results. So can you tell me, how did you do that? So I just smiled and I said, sir, that is the way we do business. We are a broking company with an online presence called MumbaiProperties.com. And what we do in the background is what shows as Google results for you. So he turned around his computer for me and he showed me a listing which we had listed in BKC for another property. He says, when I search the capital BKC, your property shows up first. Sorry, it's second on the Google list. How much time will you take if I tell you to sell this property online and it will come? So we told him it takes around 2-3 months for us to work in the background to show it as an organic result. We discussed for 10-15 minutes on the pricing and the other part of it. And at the end of the 30 minutes meeting, I had an exclusive mandate of an 8,000 square feet office that was to be sold or rented. And I walked out of that office taking a mandate that day. So this, gentleman, is how technology worked for me, and it's been working for me for the last 20 years. I've been on the internet for 21 years now, and the only way I know how to work is technology. So something about me, my name is Ram Prasad Padi. My company's name is Mumbai Properties Consulting Private Limited. Other than being a super biker, a gardener, and a father to 2 lovely kids and a husband to a lovely wife, I also own a real estate company called Mumbai Property Consulting Private Limited. And we have been in the industry for 25 years now. Internet has been a passion to me from the time I can remember. I was one of the early adopter of technology when internet came to India in 1995, and we used to log in from a dial-up connection of a telephone and wait for the connection to go. Today, you're all living in a world where we have 100 Mbps speed and all that, but that was not the case at that point of time. So with a brief introduction, let me walk you through where are we living today. So I would call that we are living in something called a world of technomy. It's a marriage of technology and economy. We are living in a world of a technology economy. 3 examples I would like to give you out here. One is Zomato, Amazon, and Netflix. Zomato is one of the largest aggregator of food. It's a restaurant food online delivery company. The current valuation is 14,000 crores. It's in 24 countries, 10,000 locations they are operating. Amazon, everyone knows about Amazon. We all use everything to buy and sell there. And today, Amazon has a valuation worldwide of 71 lakh crores is the valuation. Moving on to Netflix. Netflix is the biggest company, which is an online streaming company, which gets content directly on your phone screen and your television. Now, my question is, we will activate the chat here. I would like all of you to tell me what is the common between these 3 companies? If people can say, let's start the chat, and if you all can share what is the most common in this. Can you guys chat? Raj, can you chat here?
No, it's not allowing us.
It's not allowing. I'll have to remove it from the thing.
No, from the security, allow chat.
Okay. Yeah. So I have enabled the chat. Let's make this an interactive participation. What is the common in these 3 companies? Raj, you're not supposed to answer, and Vijay, you can answer. Other realtors. What is the common in these 3 companies that we're talking of? Come on, let's get some quick answer. Oh, lovely. Oh my God, so many answers going. Good. Internet, they sell directly, easy access, online marketing, digital business. They don't own. Oh, this is something wonderful. So yes, everyone is getting a crux of what are we talking about. None of these companies own anything of their own. They have done a platform, a technology platform where they buy. Wonderful, guys, wonderful. Keep going. Yes. I can see all of you answering. Yes. Sanket Sonavne, Manoj Wadhwa, Shalin Dasadia, Kripashankar Pandey. Kripashankar, they are not brokers. Let's not put it. Yes, yes, something like Uber, Shlok Malik. Yes, Uber is again an aggregator. So these are all technology-based aggregator who use technology to get buyers and sellers on one platform, and they charge something called a transaction fee for every transaction they do. And imagine in last 5, 6, 7, 10 years, these companies have taken the valuation to so high that even the old companies which existed 50, 60, 70 years back, all your FMCG, their valuation cannot match. So this is one crazy valuation world that we are living in. Let me take you to another scenario. Let us talk about how technology is coming into real estate. Has anyone here heard of the company called Redfin here? Redfin. How many people have heard Redfin? Can we see on the chat? Do people know about Redfin? Oh, there's a lot of no. Okay, there is yes, some, yes. A lot of no. Let me walk you through what Redfin is. So Redfin is a technology-based company which was incorporated in the US in 2004 by 3 gentlemen, David Erector, Michael Dougherty, and David Salinger. Today, it's the US's #1 brokerage website company. What they did is they married technology and brokerage. You know how many years back? 16 years back. So way back in that time, when there were no Google Map or Microsoft Bing or something like that, they displayed homes on a map-based search. So today that you can see on almost all your websites like housing.com, even Magic Bricks, or even for that matter, a lot of our broker websites, they did this 16 years back, and they had a very strong research and data. So, you know, the guys out there, they were the one who came from the research background from the management and the technology institutes there. With this, they got in 2008 a funding of $9 million. That's the funding they took. And in July 2017, they became one of the first brokerage company to get listed in NASDAQ. So when they listed in NASDAQ, what happened was they had offered the shares for $15 a share. And the first day, NASDAQ closed at $21.72 on the first day. That straight away gave them a valuation of $1.73 billion. That is the kind of company. Today, what they've done is they have a referral network of around 3,100 realtors other than their company employees in the US where they do business. Their reports, if you look to their website, you can go to redfin.com and see the reports. In last 14 years, they have sold 170,000 houses. That is the kind of houses they have sold. It's a purely residential brokerage company which has used technology. So that's where the market is going. Let me take you to a local example of PropTiger. Now, PropTiger is a local home Indian company. It was formed in 2011. Dhruv Agarwala, who's the group CEO. The revenues today are $8 million US. They have a funding of $175 million US. In the last round, it was 70 million in January. In fact, in January, they picked up. They have 1,347 employees. And in between, they bought all the other companies like Common Floor, Housing.com, everything was acquired under. They have a very strong data company. In fact, for a lot of us, they are our competitors. But how they compete with us is by using technology. So this is one company. I would also like to take this opportunity to, a very homegrown technology company led by my friend here, Raj Shah. So Raj Shah is here. Raj, can we hear hi from you?
Hi, everyone.
So Raj has done a startup called Pro Realtors. So what Pro Realtor does is it empowers real estate dealers through technology so that they can effortlessly find the right kind of property, because we as brokers sometimes spend a lot of time getting properties when we have client to attend, and a lot of time is going in data management. So this is what Raj does. He's a small startup that's growing up right now. I wanted to acknowledge. So this is all about what Realty Tech is. Now the question is, do we, all of us need to be there? One second. As a real estate consultant, how much efforts or what is the reason you need to be online? So I'll first speak a bit about why making the first impression online is very, very necessary for a broker. So what has happened is the internet has made it very reasonable to sell a home to a buyer you have never met. The internet also increased your expectation among your customers that your business will have a very credible online presence. So the prospects you have never encountered are forming opinions about you and your business at a click of a mouse. That means every information about you also is available on the internet, where a prospect client who's coming to you can already do a sort of a study on you and then contact you. So normally what happens is internet first impressions are not influenced by how your website looks. We have this wrong misconception: if my website is not looking good, then probably how will he contact us? It is also, but how your business appears in searches. When they are searching on keywords, how does your business appear? How are you looking on all other popular websites which are there? And once when they find you, along with the real estate search they have done, they will contact you. So what is important for you, do you write or present material in a way that makes sense to them? Whatever service you're offering, does it make sense? Can I request people not to do any annotation on the screen? It is spoiling the screen, please. Guys, don't do any annotation. So, establishing relationship with people and sharing knowledge and information about the area and the real estate where you're working, it will always prove to be your expertise, because that is very critical for today's customer. They want to know that the real estate agent whom I am reaching out to, is he capable to handle my requirement? Is he knowledgeable? Is he having resources to do all that? So in today's market, there are 4 things which, in my opinion, as a person who's been using technology for the last 20 plus years, you all need to have. I'm sure a lot of them have all those things. The 4 must things is a smartphone with a smart app. Everyone out here, I am probably yes, 2 of them, there is no doubt on it. Then you need something called a dynamic website or a branded email ID. Then you need your presence on the social media and you need to do digital marketing. And 4, you need a good CRM system in place to run your business. So in my opinion, these are the 4 must you have. Today, I will be talking on point 2 about a website and a branded email ID, because phone is with everyone. Social media and CRM is a very, very vast ocean. I mean, I would probably cover few drops of the ocean in another 10 sessions if I take it during the lockdown time. So what I'm going to do is, we will walk you through what are the things available today. Raj, can we remove this annotation anywhere possible to remove?
Yeah, but I'll need to see the controls, without which it's going to be a little difficult for me.
I'll try and do the screen share again. Guys, request you please don't do anything with the annotation. Yeah, thank you so much for your cooperation, guys. And yes. So what are the important components? Raj, walk me through the timing. If you're running late, then I will, accordingly with it. So first and foremost, for a website, the requirement.
We have about 15 minutes left.
Okay, so you can. So the first and foremost important part for you to make a website is your domain name. Your domain name is like your brand online. Just as I review business, can we show on the chat? Can 2-3 people share the company name? Anyone? Can you guys share your company name? Let me. Bajaj Real Estate, Infratur, Vagabond, Prithvi Estate, KK Associate, Exquisite Realtor, Vaz Realtor, Pacific Real Estate, okay, Space Realtors. So guys, just as you have this as your business brand name, it is very important for you to have a similar brand name on the internet, and what allows you to do that is your domain name. So in the domain name, the most popular is the .com. Now, ideally, I'll tell you what happens. If you have your company, so Xavier DeCosta says he has got RaipurProperties.com. Wonderful domain. City.properties is one of the best. So your first preference should be, if you, so I will talk of Space Realtor. Chandresh Bitlani, my friend, is here. Chandresh Bhai's company is called Space Realtor. So ideally, his domain name should be spacerealtors.com. Ideally, but what has happened, .com को आके 30 साल हो गया है इस दुनिया में, इंटरनेट का पैदाइश 30 साल पहले हुआ है, तो आप जितने भी डिक्शनरी में वर्ड्स ढूंढ सकते थे सब गायब हो गया है, कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं। तो इंडिया में आइडियली आपको सबसे पहले .com लेना चाहिए, आपका कंपनी नेम .com सबसे पहले। आई हैव मनीष हिंदुजा 360 realty.in, yes. .com नहीं मिले तो आपको .in लेना चाहिए। If you don't get .in, the third ideal is .co.in. Try and see if you get names in these three domains. They are the most thing. So I see Agarwal Estates from Pawan Sharma. Yes, Dreams Realty, Global One World, Landmark Realty. .expert. Oh, Amit Sanghvi is wonderful. You got an expert. So there are these domain names available. Now suddenly what has happened is, इस साल में सब domain names खत्म हो गया, new domains are coming up. 5 years back, Intercan, which is the agency which controls the domain name, they came out with couple of real estate specific domain name. So they came out with a domain called .properties. They came out with a domain called .real estate. They came out with a domain of .villa, .rent, .builder. There are close to 15 domain names. You can write down a name. I will share it. There is a website called name.com. If you go there to name.com, you will be able to see what kind of domain names are available to you to book in the real estate domain if you don't have a domain name already. So domain name is very important. The .com is the most valuable. I will share housing when they started, housing.com when they started. How many people know that housing.com was not the original domain name of that company? How many people here say no it? If you know, say yes on the chat box. Come on. How many people? Rishabh, you should stop advertising yourself, please. Yes. Can anyone share what was housing's URL when they started? What was housing's URL? Vivek Batija, you are smart. Anurag Jain is smart. What was the name of housing when they came online? It was housing.co.in. So 2 years down the line, they decided they need a .com. By that time, housing had a lot of funding capital. They bought 2 investments they did. One was a name called housing.com. They purchased housing.com for 3.25 crore rupees. And Joyson, yes, they were housing.co.in, and after that they become housing.com. And there's a telephone number with all 10 digits same, which they bought. They paid close to 5 crores. So these 2 investments they made because these were so easy to remember. So this is the world of domain. If you guys have domain names, it's very good. Your websites are very good. If you don't have a domain, this is the thing that you should follow when you make it. Now, what I would say is, you've done your domain name. How many people here have their own websites? Type yes website. Type yes website. How many people? Lots of them. Great going, guys. Great going. Now, how many people do not have a website? Please be very free and share no. Write no if you don't have a website. No. Yeah. So this is for all the people who do not have website. Dhiren Doshi, Bhanu Prasad, Bharat, good, you can start fresh because you don't have, and that's where Vajubai, you got yes, Cyril, you got yes, Samir Manocha, no. So, all of you for formal website as formal source you are going to your client.
Ram,
When
your
you do
voice
your
is cracking.
website, what are the most important content in a website? Technically, know a little bit of. Is it cracking now?
Now it's better. There seems to be some fluctuation with the internet.
Oh, I got a word out. Is it better now?
Yeah, it's better.
You want me to repeat? Vijay bhai, you want me to repeat?
Yes.
Vijay bhai is there? So, website mein there are two things. There is a front end and a back end. And there is a design element and there is something called marketing of the website. Now, marketing is something which we will come in a later position once your website is done, and I'm going to cover them in the other. Let me one moment arrange the screen for you guys. Jyoti says repeat. Okay. So I said there are 4 components when you're doing your website. You have a front end and you have a back end, you have a design and you have a marketing. Very important when you sit down and you want to get your website done is what is the design of your website. In design, there are 4 elements. What is your layout? Samir says my voice is not clear. Raj, am I still unclear?
No, now you're clear. Please go ahead.
There is no echo in the sound, right? Okay. So in the design, there are 4 elements. One is your layout. Second is your images that you're going to use in your website. Colors. 2 things about colors, guys. This color should match with the corporate colors that you have as a brand and identity. Second is they should be easy to look at when you're seeing from phones. Then are the fonts. Then I go to the front end. In the front end, I will have a user interface where I should look at, how will it look for the person who's coming to my website and to use this. Then the navigation. If I go from one field to another, let's say I'm a buyer, I'm looking at some property, suddenly I want to navigate to look at legal resources, how easy it is to go. Responsive design. Responsive design means if I look at your website from a phone, from my iMac, from an iPad, or any device, it should look similar and I should not be scrolling around. So that is called the front end. Now, what will be there in the back end of the website? First and most important, when you are making a website, you will have to host it online. So it's called a hosting service. Like just as we have hosted our website on Google servers, you have to host it. Then there is something called content. Now content, I have a special page for all of you guys and I will share more of content. Are you doing an advanced? Guys, I will request, please don't use the chat now. We'll get disturbed and people will watch. Use the chat only when I request the chat to be open. So hosting is one, content has a special thing. Databases, if you want to keep a database of all your clients, CMS means content management system. So these are a bit technical, which your technical guy will say. Once your website is done, it will not start getting you leads day one onwards. You will have to do something called marketing your website. So 4 ways that we have put here. One is you via your email or your collaterals, you can market it. Search engine optimization, very, very critical to get your leads on Google coming. People should search for your term. You should show up on Google on the top page. Normally, people consider page 1 and result number 1 to 10 is what is important for them. Search engine marketing. So especially when you're new and you are unable to, do it. 1 second. Raj, what is this? Okay. So सर्च इंजन मार्केटिंग इज समथिंग जहां आप पैसा देते हो, मार्केटिंग करते हो, और वो मार्केटिंग करने के बाद वो क्लाइंट आपके पास आते हैं. तो फेसबुक एड्स है, गूगल पीपीसी है, ये सब सर्च इंजन मार्केटिंग. क्योंकि जब नया बनता है तो इमीडिएटली आपके वेबसाइट पे ट्रैफिक नहीं आता है. आई विल स्विच टू हिंदी इंग्लिश. थैंक्स फॉर टेलिंग मी राज. नेचुरल लिंक्स, अ लॉट ऑफ योर वेबसाइट, जो भी वेबसाइट बाहर है वो आपके वेबसाइट को लिंक बैक करेंगे अगर आपके पास रेलेवेंट कंटेंट है उसके पास. तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप कंटेंट पे थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट करके उस पर कर सकते हैं. सो अभी आपने एक डोमेन नेम ले लिया, आपने वेबसाइट बनाने का सोच लिया. अभी आपको डिसाइड करना है कि मैं वेबसाइट जब बनाऊंगा तो मैं कैसे बनाऊंगा. सबसे पहले बजट अलोकेट करना है आपको. आप आपका वेबसाइट आज फ्री से शुरू होके, तो आपका स्टार्टर पैक में 3 पैक में मैंने रखा है. स्टार्टर पैक है, प्रोफेशनल पैक है, मास्टर ब्लास्टर पैक है. स्टार्टर पैक में आपका वेबसाइट फ्री होस्ट हो सकता है. डोमेन नेम का जो आपको साल का 1000 रुपया देना है वो देना रहेगा. डोमेन नेम के बाद जो वेबसाइट है, सो sites.google इफ यू गो, अगर आप जाएं तो वहां पे आप आपका फ्री वेबसाइट बना सकते हो. wix.com पे भी आप आपका वेबसाइट फ्री बना सकते हो. वर्डप्रेस पे भी आप आपका वेबसाइट फ्री बना सकते हो, और ब्लॉग पे भी आप आपका फ्री वेबसाइट बना सकते हो. एक वो है. The other thing you can do is, do you want to do it yourself, या आप उसको आउटसोर्स करके किसी एजेंसी या फ्रीलांसर को देना चाहते हो. तीसरा है कि किस तरह का टेक्नोलॉजी आप यूज करने वाले हो. तो आजकल के जितने ज्यादा वेबसाइट्स है वो ज्यादातर वर्डप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म पे बनते हैं. आप काफी सारे ब्रोकर वेबसाइट अगर देखोगे वो सब वर्डप्रेस पे इसके लिए बनते कि वर्डप्रेस इज वेरी इजी टू यूज. सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है उस पे, और लुक एंड फील जो है वेबसाइट को वो काफी अच्छा लगता है. वेबसाइट बनाने के बाद उसको अपडेट करना रेगुलरली बहुत 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 जरूरी है. इसीलिए आपके पास इन हाउस कोई टीम है जो बनने के बाद उसको आपको कंटिन्यूस लिस्टिंग डाल सकता है, कंटेंट डाल सकता है, क्या कर सकता है. और अगर आप टेक्नोलॉजी में थोड़ा इंटरेस्टेड है, अगर आप खुद कुछ करना चाहते हो तो वो भी आप ऐसा कर सकते हो. तो वेबसाइट बनाने का जो मैंने बजट बताया वो फ्री से शुरू हो सकता है. वर्डप्रेस मार्केट में लोग 10,000 से 25, 30, 40,000 के बीच में वर्डप्रेस के वेबसाइट बनते हैं. कस्टम वेबसाइट जो आपके हिसाब से आपको बनाना है, जिसमें बैकएंड स्ट्रांग है, सीआरएम है, वो लाख रुपए से शुरू होके कोई अपर लिमिट नहीं है. आप कितना भी बड़ा बना सकते हो. तो प्रॉपटाइगर जैसा जो प्लेटफॉर्म रहेगा, आई थिंक उनका वेबसाइट में करोड़ों रुपया उनके वेबसाइट में रहेगा. उनका 100-150 लोगों का टीम सिर्फ वेबसाइट हैंडल करता रहेगा. सो दिस इज अबाउट वेबसाइट. क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स आपको जो कंसिडर करने हैं. दो स्लाइड पहले मैंने बात किया था आपके वेबसाइट पे क्या कंटेंट होना चाहिए. सो वी ऑल नो दैट कंटेंट इज किंग. यू हैव मेड योर वेबसाइट, you have invested the money. What are you going to put in your website? First and foremost, about us. Who are you? What is your team all about? What is your core business? The customer who's coming doesn't know you. He's sitting somewhere in the corner of the world. Probably he's an NRI sitting in Kenya and looking to come to India and searching you on the website, and he says xyzrealtor.com. So about us, you should write in a storytelling mode. कभी भी boast करके अपने बारे में बहुत बड़ा चढ़ा के मत लिखिए. Write a good about us. उसके बाद what kind of services you give? आप बाइंग कराते हो, सेलिंग कराते हो, रेंट आउट कराते हो, आप प्रॉपर्टी मैनेजमेंट करते हो, आप प्रोजेक्ट मार्केटिंग करते हो. That kind of thing you can do. Property listings. Guys, I'm getting requests for English and Hindi both way. My chat box is full up, so I will try and do mix of both. So property listings is one of the most. Raj, can you mute some? I think anyone not on mute? Raj?
Yeah, I think everybody's on mute.
Everybody. So 552 members on this webinar today, guys. Thank you for taking your time out. Property listings. Property listing is the most important feature for any real estate consultant, because they are the jewels that you want to show to your clients, you know. So 2-3 things about property listing: be very original about writing a good headline about your property listing. Normally hum log, you know what we do, Magic Bricks mein likhte hain, available 3 BHK in Bandra for 10 crores, call us now. No, that kind of things, when they happen, one moment, Manish, yes, I will try and stop the chat right now because we are getting disturbed. 1 second. Yeah, sorry. Thanks, Manish. Property listings, 3 very important things, and I will tell you this is one critical area which gets us a lot of hits on our website and my leads get converted. One is, write a beautiful headline for your property listing when you're putting it there. Second, write a good description about the property. So instead of writing available 3 BHK in Bandra, write a cozy 3-bedroom apartment overlooking the wonderful Arabian Sea with a view you will die for. If that's your headline, trust me guys, your viewer who's seeing it is going to click there and go inside to see. Write a short description about the property, talking about the good things that will draw. We call it the USP, unique selling proposition of the property. So write that. Third, and mandated, always have good quality pictures to go with your listing. No picture, no listing. Make it a rule. Because कितनी बार ऐसे होता है कि आप Magic Bricks पे जाते हैं and you see 5,000 listing. You always skip pictures that are not there. You will always skip listings that do not have pictures. So these 3 things, property listings are your bloodline for your business. So the more property listings you have inside your system, the more clients will come. And trust me, a lot of organic search by Google comes because of your property listing, which I will show you as a demo in some time. Testimonials from client. We've all been in the business for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, and we have thousands of happy clients. So we should be, I'm sure a lot of you take testimonials from your client. Put those testimonials on your website. Today's time is taking video testimonial. And 2 things, take a testimonial and ask your client for permission to put that testimonial online. Fifth is blogs. Put a lot of blogs about current affairs, about your location, about your specialty. I agree, we are all, हम सब real estate agent है, हमको business करना है, पैसा कमाना है, हमारे पास time नहीं रहेगा, बस you can outsource this. Again, blog is the single most page that will get indexed in Google on other search engine and get you a lot of hits. So for us also the blogs run very well. So you should have blogs on your website. Finally, we come to resources. So a lot of resources you should be putting. So if you're dealing in buyer, put resources on home loan, kaise milta hai, kitna sasta hai, what is the current home loan rate, put lawyer contacts there, put legal FAQ. For NRIs, what is TDS? NRI को बेचने का पूरा सिस्टम ही अलग है, तो put for NRIs क्या है? अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट मार्केटिंग में हो, डेवलपर्स का प्रोजेक्ट्स आप मार्केटिंग करते हो, व्हाट इज योर कोर कंपिटेंसी, व्हाट शुड अ फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर लुक? फॉर एग्जांपल, अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन लेना है, मुझे सबसे पहले देखना है महारेरा में ये प्रोजेक्ट रजिस्टर्ड है कि नहीं. सो योर वेबसाइट शुड हैव ऑल रिसोर्सेज लाइक दिस. दैट मींस एक बार आपके वहां कस्टमर आया तो वो पूरा रिसोर्सेज देख के जा सकता है. सो एक गुरु मंत्र में है मेरे पास कि गूगल को आपसे प्यार हो जाएगा. हाउ मेनी पीपल हियर वांट, 1 second, I think, let me go. How many people here want to get the guru mantra for why will Google love your website even if you're brand new? If you want the guru mantra, type yes on the chat. How many of you want? Only 5? Then probably I'll oh, now yes, this is more like it. Yes, thank you guys. So the most important guru mantra here is, yes, I got that. Everything that I've spoken here before, is it about us, service, listing, testimonial, blog, resource, jo bhi hai, please keep it original. नो कट एंड पेस्ट बिजनेस. गूगल हेट कट्स एंड पेस्ट. तो हमारे ब्रोकर भाइयों का बहुत आदत है कि एक वेबसाइट डेवलपर को काम दे दिया, कंटेंट तो है नहीं, तो उसको बोल दिया भाई तू कहीं से भी कट पेस्ट कर ले. अब काफी सारे लोग mumbaiproperties.com पे आते हैं, कट पेस्ट करके लेके जाते हैं और वहां पे डाल देते हैं. कितनी बार तो ऐसा हुआ है कि कंपनी का जो कंटेंट है उसके अंदर मेरा नाम भी उन्होंने नहीं निकाला और वो भी उन्होंने वहां डाल दिया. क्या होता है ऐसे पता है आपको? गूगल आपको बैन करता है क्योंकि आप डुप्लीकेट कंटेंट डाल रहे हो. गूगल को यह बात पता है कि ये कंटेंट mumbaiproperties.com में लास्ट 5 साल पहले था, ये 3 साल पहले था, 2 महीने पहले था. जब आप सेम कंटेंट रिटर्न अपने वेबसाइट्स पे डालते हो तो गूगल डजंट इंडेक्स योर साइट ऑफन. इट्स वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज, यू विल नॉट फिगर आउट इन गूगल ऑफन. सो 2 चीज डालना है, कंटेंट आपको ओरिजिनल डालना है और आपको रेलेवेंट कंटेंट डालना है. जो काम का कंटेंट है आपको वो डालना है. अभी आपका वेबसाइट बन गया, आपने डोमेन नेम लिया, आपने वेबसाइट बनाया, अभी होस्ट किया, अभी गाड़ी ले ली, पेट्रोल डाल दिया, सब है. अभी आपको क्या करना है? आपको you need to get traffic to your website. That is very important. So I was doing some research on how you can how many websites are there. I was very curious to know how many websites are there. You will be surprised to know there are 1.8 billion websites today on the internet. So it is like going to the deserts of Rajasthan and your website is one speck of a sand in that whole desert. We are that. And out of that, there are 200 million websites which are active today. And when they say active, that means which are updated, which are up and running. So 1.8 billion website बन गए, कोई किसी ने कुछ renew नहीं हुआ, कोई page static रहा. तो 200 million website आज website पे है. For a broker, there are 3 things which are very important. One is how many prospects come into your system. आपका ये website, your website is ready. It is how many prospects come to your system. Out of that prospects, how many come to you as a client? Because if I get 100 prospects, I call all 100 of them. 10 people will come to my office or meet me to allow them to show properties, and they become my client, and then my deal closure. So 100 prospects, 10 client, out of 10 our ratio is usually 2 deals will happen. You have to determine ki what is my website content be, how much traffic do I want, and what happens is at this point of time, normally so how many brokers, before I go ahead, how many of you here subscribe to listing site like Magic Bricks, 99 Acres, Sulekha? Can you type yes on the chat if you're subscribing to any of these services? Let's make it interesting, guys. Put some 1 or 2 problems that you face when you pay. Okay, before I go that, how much money are you paying annually? Can someone type what are the packages you're taking? How much? What is the 5 lakhs, 2.5 lakh, 4 lakh, 40,000, 50,000, 30,000, 5 lakhs? Oh, 1 lakh. These are annual, right? 40,000, 50,000, 5 lakhs again. Yes, annual. Yeah, even I take package. Perfect. I got you guys. So imagine every year you take a package from the listing site and you keep proper posting listing and everything. But what happens is you are posting property on a third party website. आपका जो पूरा content है ना, आप एक third party website पे डालते हो, पूरा data डालते हो, photo डालते हो, अच्छा listing practice. They give you leads because the client go to that website. Now imagine इस budget का, तो मुझे देखिए, मैं देखता हूँ someone has, Joyson, you said you put 2-3 lakh rupees. Joyson D'Souza from Powai, right? Joyson, if this 2-3 lakhs, if you put your hand on your heart and ask, kitna mujhe leads mila, and you say that I will now allocate 50% of this budget to my own website. You may have a website. Joyson, do you have a website? Can I see a yes on the chat box? Yes. Rajiv Parashar, you put 2 to 3 lakh rupees. Yes, Joyson. So if you have your website and you decide that out of the 3 lakhs that I'm going to give to Magic Bricks and 99 acres and Sulekha.com and housing.com, what if I put 1.5 lakh rupees into my website, making it better in terms of content, getting a very good web developer to redesign it again. I'm just taking a name, anyone can do it. Put original content, spend money on search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a continuous process, guys. रो एक दिन का काम नहीं है. कभी-कभी एक term के लिए आपको 1 साल लग जाता है. Then put search engine marketing, Google pay per click, do Facebook marketing and get your traffic. Trust me, in the long run, in 3 years from now, you will thank me when you will see a lot of organic leads coming from your website. आपका website पैसा बनाने वाला मशीन होना चाहिए. हम लोग यहाँ बैठे नहीं है पैसा लुटाने के लिए. हम पैसा डालते हैं, हमको 10 गुना पैसा चाहिए. We are all businessmen. We want 10% ROI, 15% ROI, 100% ROI. In fact, when I put money into marketing, I want 10x. 1 रुपया डाला 10 रुपया चाहिए, 10 लाख रुपया डाला 1 करोड़ चाहिए. So if you do a part of your budgeting there and put all this in the website, you will see that in 6 months, in 1 year, you will start getting result. And website is something that it is like going to a gym daily and making your body. Website is not कि 1 महीना मैंने कसरत किया, मेरा body बन गया, I will live. Website is something which will need your daily monitoring, which will need a lot of your efforts. So something of that sort you will need to do. Now, how do you market or drive traffic to your website? Raj, this goes ahead. You're able to see the screen, Raj?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can see trends today.
You can see.
Now it's gone back to driving traffic.
Yeah. So, what can you do to drive traffic? First and foremost, whatever are your collateral, your visiting card, your letterheads, your envelopes, whichever you give out, your website address should be there everywhere. Second is, you should spend money on search engine optimization and search engine marketing because you're a new website. Third, spend some money getting a very good quality blogs written and put on your website as your own. Get some ghostwriter, let them write some websites. You should go social. So you go on Facebook, you go on Instagram, you go on LinkedIn, and there you put all your URLs and try driving traffic there. But don't do spamming there. Do some meaningful engagement with your client, जिसके लिए आपको traffic return आएगा. Email marketing, one of very good things to get. So everyone here will probably have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 prospects, you know. So those kind of prospects, you can send email that, you know, we have just redesigned our website. We have got a whole new buyer section. Come explore the buyer section. So those kind of emails you can send in. You can host webinars for your client. ये this other time, ये बहुत सही time है कि आप आपके client के लिए webinar host कर सकते हो. Deepak says he can't hear me. Raj, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
I don't know. Some people say poor audio. So Ajay, yes, you can hear me, Ajay? Yeah. Okay. So you should host webinars. You know, the biggest problem these days in the last 15 days was rental waivers, rental rebate. Going further, rents come hone wale, especially commercial real estate client ke. All these things, you can host a small webinar, invite you know, your clients to this webinar and tell them this is the information-based webinar where I'm going to be talking about the COVID-19 situation, or next 6 months we can host it through your website. Then you can do one thing is you can invite guest bloggers, people with very high authority who are leading, who are influencers, we call them. Instagram mein ye bahut famous hai, influencer. Get them to write guest post on your blog, unke naam ke sath. So the problem is many people don't look at this avenue saying, "Arey, wo hamare liye kya likhega?" But let's say if he's a fashion blogger and from his context he writes a fashion column in your resources, you know what he will do? He will write that blog and he will share that blog with his hundreds and thousands of followers. they will follow and come back to your website. It's a two-way traffic. So no कौन authorities है आपके location में, fashion वाले हैं, बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. So this is called guest blog. On this, yes. So websites, how to make, what content to have, what are today's trend. And when I'm saying today, this is the trend of 2019-20, what is going on. First and foremost, we now have something called single property website. So let's say I am marketing a property which is mandated. So 2 years back, we had an entire building for sale in Navi Mumbai, belonged to a corporate client, which was mandated. We had around 16 units to be sold. Luckily for me, the domain name of that building was available. So that domain name of the building.com, I booked it. I made the entire content for that building. It's a ready building with swimming pool, club. We put all the data. All the 16 flats were put as 16 listings on that, you know, and we did marketing. We did online marketing, we did offline marketing. Now what happened was, when we got inquiries from the paper ad and people were asking ki kya details hai, I said go to www.buildingname.com. You will get all the detail. All the photographs are there. All the videos are there. After seeing them, let me know when do you want to see a property. So we also, so this flats were in a place called Nerul in Navi Mumbai. We even put about Nerul, which is the nearest hospital, the Apollo Hospital in Nerul, all the market information. I spent around 35,000 doing a single property website, and all the 16 units we were able to sell in a period of less than 5 months in that kind of market, you know. And it, so even the offline traffic that we came, we pushed there. बस उधर जाके सब देख कौन सा फ्लैट देखना है बोल, मेरा आदमी आके चाबी लेके दिखा देगा. Second is landing pages. बहुत लोगों के पास यहाँ domain name बहुत पड़ा रहता है. मतलब I know यार, how many people have more than one domain name? Please type how many domain names you have. 10, 3, Tarun Jain 10, अरे 7, 4, अरे आप लोग 39. Wow, who's this 39 guy? I'm surprised. Huh? Sumit Mishra is 39. Wonderful. 10, 14. Basant Agarwal 14. 20. Ankit Jain, you are a pro. Vajubhai Makwana, founder president, Area Group 4 domain name. Joyson 3. Deepak Jain 3. Keep it coming, guys. Let's make it more interesting. 1 domain, 20 subdomain. Good way to go. 50. Fernandez. Wow, you. And Tarun Jain says none of them have been really used. And Tarun bhai, that is what I wanted to point out. हम लोग को मस्ती रहती है, डोमेन नेम लेना है, ये लेना है, हम ले लेते हैं, हम कुछ करते नहीं उसके बारे में. So domain name is like buying all the notebooks which you wanted to write and you kept it in the upar ka malia, which you will never write. You have so many free landing pages available where you take the landing page subscription free and you put your domain name to use there. Create a single page website. So I'll give an example. I have a domain called bandra.co, जिसको अभी तक मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है. I will take a landing page, put all information about Bandra there. You know, Bandra का information Wikipedia में मिलता है, और I'll pay a content writer 5,000 rupees to do Bandra का content. What is Pali Hill? What is Bandstand? Why is it preferred? Bandra East is BKC and all. I will say bandra.co. I will put all the content. I will not put property listings there. I will portray myself as a Bandra specialist if that is my location of working. I will link back that site to mumbaiproperties.com. I will put some testimonial of videos in, and I will let my client. In some time, you know, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 15 months, 20 months, jo aapka patience hai, this website will start getting organic traffic and you will get. So I close to 16 websites is what I have. I have a library today of around 170 odd domain names, which I don't use a lot of things. Vikas Goenka, wonderful new domain, guwahatiwarehouses.com, great going there. So that is called landing page. Project marketing. So my friend Chandresh by here from Space Realtor does a lot of project marketing with 6, 7, 8, 10 area group members, you know. Now when they form a group like this and do project marketing, they are the project marketing specialist. तो ये दुनिया को बताना कि भाई हम स्पेशलिस्ट है नया प्रॉपर्टी प्रोजेक्ट मार्केटिंग में, प्लस उनका टारगेट ऑडियंस है वो बिल्डर जिनको ये फ्लैट प्रोजेक्ट्स बेचना है. So they do project marketing. So you can do project marketing of multiple projects in one website. As I said, niche. So I have another company called Expat Homes where I do relocation for foreigners who come to India. So we have another website called expathomes.com.in. It is a niche. Only foreigners who are coming to India. Bombay mein rehna kitna bhari hai, what are the hardship, everything is there. Location websites. I have another domain called juhu.in. I have another domain called powai.co. I have another domain called southbombay.co. These are location-based websites, which I should be doing, work on that and put it as a specialist of those locations. Again, drive back traffic to my original. दूसरा क्या ट्रेंड आ गया? ड्रोन वीडियोस. तो अभी सब बिल्डर्स लोग ड्रोन यूज कर रहे हैं, ऊपर से दिखा रहे हैं सब. क्या आपको पता है कि ड्रोन वीडियो यू कैन यूज इनसाइड द हाउस आल्सो टू शूट अ वेरी 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 प्रॉपर वीडियो, very posh video. You can shoot the exterior. So Bombay में we are not very lucky to have bungalows and all like foreign, but at least if you do drone videos, that is one. Professional video tours, big property, like we do a lot of real estate in Powai where the houses are 5,000 square feet, 4,000 square feet and all. I get a very professional video tour done of that house and put it online and market. Those are the trends. I'm talking about the trends, guys. There are many more trends, but एक घंटे के सेशन में मैं ये सब कवर नहीं कर सकता. 360 टूर आ गए जो आप लोग अभी सब देख रहे हैं. लॉकडाउन में डेवलपर्स आपको भेज रहे हैं कि 360 टूर है. फोन पे बैठ के आपका फिंगर आगे पीछे टच हो के यू कैन सी द होल property sitting there, the ceiling, the walls, the flooring, everything. So those are called 360 tours. They are very, very cheap. The camera now just costs 50,000 compared to 1 or 2 lakhs. So these are the trend today, which you should slowly start getting into, What has happened is,
15 minutes more.
Yeah. So these are the last slides and then we can go. Before, sales for real estate agents. So this is a sales model that I thought was very relevant for us and that's why I got it made. Is originally we had cold calling, you had advertisement to be done and you do something called a canned pitch. Canned pitch का मतलब हमारे पास एक standard है. हेलो सर, मैं मुंबई प्रॉपर्टी से बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे पास 2 BHK 3 BHK है, आप क्या ढूंढना चाह रहे हो, आप क्या देखा. A standard pitch where you're not connecting to your client, you're not understanding what you want, और आप सीधा आपका pitch शुरू करो. I am sure a lot of builder pitches. How many people agree that बहुत सारे developer अभी भी pitch use कर रहे हैं? Harish Ahuja, you're right. .co is also a very good site. It's a Colombia-based URL. .co, yes. How many people here believe developers still here use pitches and they use pitches that you want to bang the phone on their head? Rajiv Lakpati, you're absolutely right. Idiotic and irritating pitch. Absolutely. Vinod Balani, yes. Gautam Rao, welcome. Roger Pinto, yes. These pitches are also, Sushant Bansode, this pitch are also used by a lot of brokers and that is why the customers literally hate us. हमारा जो इंडस्ट्री का खराब नाम है ना वो हमारे ऊपर. तन्वी नायक, you're right. Pramod, yes, Maximum Builder. So the new evolution that has come, and that is why I wanted to start my session today, is of technology. You build a technology platform, you create content which is unique, and you marry both of them, which is your website. You own that. वो आपका खुद का है, आपको उसको सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं देना है, जो डालना है उसके ना उससे. And then you use social media and digital marketing to create something called engagement of the client. Total engagement. Now when the customer gets engaged, और वो जब भी खरीदने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं ना, trust me, he will be the first guy who will come to you because आपने pitching नहीं किया उसको, आपने उसको engage रखा है. So this is a concept called hunting versus farming. आप क्लाइंट के पीछे हंटिंग के मकसद से जाते हैं वो अलग है, और आप क्लाइंट को फार्मिंग करो. फॉरेन में फार्म का कंसेप्ट बहुत है. Customers are your farm which you're farming and they will definitely come when they are ready to buy. So this is the two differences I want to point out, that how technology should change and there is no choice. So I have a lot of digital resource for realtors which you want to, take it to next level. I've been doing this courses for close to 3-4 years now, and coming soon we have a lot of sessions. So I will be doing exclusive sessions on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Google Business. WhatsApp, Twitter. There are 9 to 10 sessions. We're going to have 1 hour mini session like the one we had today. One topic per session. We will be just, we're compiling the presentation and the data that is taking up a lot of time these days. So guys, with this, I come to the close of today's session. I will leave 5 to 10 minutes, Raj, for the question and answer. So if people want some questions to be answered, I will be very happy to take this question. Any questions, guys? I can take question for 5 minutes because Goldie, yes, you can ask me a question.
Ram?
Raj, can you ask a question to me and we'll take it because I am unable to. Yeah.
Sure. So Ram, any specific examples on how certain websites are making life easy, either for a landing page?
So
To start off with, for a landing page.
So for a landing page, you can go to something called Google Sites. Okay, there is another site called Wix.com, and there are a couple of I think even Blogger can be used as a landing page because Blogger account you can open just like that, and you can keep writing blogs there, which will give you a lot of it. So if you're, in my opinion, I use a lot of my domain names to use this blogs, which gets me a lot of traffic.
Okay.
Tejas is asking me how much period does it take to generate SEO. Tejas, there is no right or wrong in this whole thing. It can take anywhere from 3 months to at least 1 year for you to search, get yourself found on the internet, provided you use good keyword, do a lot of research. I will suggest one good site. It's called neilpatel.com, Neil, neilpatel.com. Guys, you can go there. This is one of the best sites to learn search engine optimization, neilpatel.com. I type that in the chat box. And Raj, can we, kisko unmute karna hai? Goldie, can you go unmute Goldie, please?
I won't be able to do it.
Acha, you will one.
The controls, yeah.
Control. Goldie, one moment.
Somebody asked if you could elaborate what a landing page is.
Okay. Okay. So guys, Goldie, I have unmuted. Give me a second. So guys, a landing page is something where what happens is you link the domain name. It's a micro website. In a simple layout term, it's a micro website. When people type, so I have a free domain right now lying with me called realtyindia.com. It's a very premium domain. Uska agar main kaam nahi kar raha, to realtyindia.com, if I do a landing page, it will take me to a simple one-page website where there is a lot of content which I can put, as a content expert in the real estate business. So in my terminology, a landing page is a mini or a micro website, but it is also a starting point of a customer where he lands on your page and he goes wherever you want him to go, provided you have content. Because एक बात ध्यान रखिए, bounce rates are very high. कोई customer अगर उसको आपके website पे content नहीं मिला, तो वो within 1 minute he will go out of your website, and that is called bounce rate. So bounce rates बहुत high रहता है. Be careful. Goldie, you can ask your question. Goldie, can you hear me? Is Goldie there, Raju? Yeah.
Hi, Raj.
Goldie. Hi, Goldie.
Hi, Ram. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes.
Yeah, Raj. Ram, my question was, see, we have a CRM from Realty Redefined,
Yeah.
which handles the backend of our website.
Right.
So in that scenario, how do we, incorporate all the things that you are saying to us, teaching to us, along with keeping the CRM also attached to the website? Or
So
is it not possible to do that?
So it is possible to do that. So as far as I knew, they had something called a premium package where they allowed you to customize an entire website based on your design for an additional fee, and you could do all that. So for my association, we had got that work done. So this website was allowed to be customizable. So when it is customized, you can definitely do it.
Okay, so that is possible.
Any other question?
So Ram, also they have a facility where you can write blog articles,
Exactly.
etc.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Yes. And Dhiren Shah asked me, when I want to build content on my website, can I just pick up reality article and post it to generate traffic as long as I give acknowledgement? Perfectly. What you can do is when you cut paste the article from Economic Times, you should normally give a link back to that article. Not only that. So if it is, don't write source Economic Times, right? Source the entire link of the Economic Times link for that article. What will happen is Economic Times get something called a backlink, and you will also get some good karma in the SEO world. And Devin Dougley is asking me, how much money do you spend? Devin, my target is 4 to 5% of my turnover should go into this, because this is where my money is coming. Vikas Goenka asked me, you have 3-4 vertical, you have different topics like Siddhi, Realty, Guwahati. I think my traffic will be scattered. Yes, Vikas ji, बहुत जरूरी है. जब आपके पास बहुत सारा वर्टिकल रहता है और आप बहुत सारा वेबसाइट बनाते हो, आपका कस्टमर कंफ्यूज हो जाता है कि आपको क्या, आप स्पेशलिस्ट हो. तो अगर 4 अलग कंपनी है तो उसके हिसाब से कंटेंट क्रिएट कीजिए, उसका टीम अलग रखिए. मिक्सअप, इट्स लाइक सेग्रीगेशन. तो विद इन अ कंपनी हिंदुस्तान लेवल का एक साबु बनाने का यूनिट अलग है, एक शैम्पू बनाने का यूनिट अलग है. वैसा एक अलग अलग आप जब करेंगे तो आप कर सकते हो, नहीं तो कस्टमर कंफ्यूज बहुत हो जाएगा विकास जी. एंड प्राइवेट में आपसे मैं आपकी क्वेरी ले लूंगा. Any more question? Any more? Jatin bhai, I don't know of any replacement for Reality Redefined right now. Manish Ved, digital marketing for everyone. We will be doing around 9-10 courses. I have a request, everyone. If you have enjoyed the program, how many people enjoyed the 1 hour session today? If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up, guy. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we will be. Did you enjoy today's program? Girish, you got 3 thumbs up. Daniel, Ashwin, Dhruv, Uday Shah. Great, superb. Can I? Beautiful. Thank you, guys. It's only because people like you, I'm here to share my knowledge. I have a small request for you. I will share one moment. Did the screen sharing stop? Are we on time, Raj?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
We've got 2 minutes.
Yeah. So, guys, why can't I see the link? Facebook sharing is stopped, no, or sharing is still on?
No, we can see your Canva screen actually right now.
Okay.
If you want, you could just go to new share again on top.
Okay, new share. Is the screen sharing stopped now?
Yes, screen sharing has stopped. Yes.
Great, guys. So it was great having you. We were 562 at the start. At 1 hour 15 minutes, I still have 465 real estate, non-real estate consultant, estate consultant, chartered accountant, lawyers here. A lot of friends from Raipur and other cities have joined. I have a request. Go to my Facebook page. It's a new page I've done for the community called Reality Tech Guru. Go to Reality Tech Guru on Facebook. Please follow me there, because we will be putting a lot of resources. आप मुझे वहाँ सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, आप वहाँ पे मुझे resources मांग सकते हैं. I have a library of close to 3,000 resources, which I will be happy to share to everyone. So these kind of resources, please go there, encourage me to do this. I am taking this as a new venue that my mission today in sharing this is, I want to empower each one of you here. Each one, एक broker इतना empower होना चाहिए कि वो अपना website बना के branded email ID रख के खुद उसमें से lead generate करके Magic Breaks 99 acres जितने listing site है, which do a justice a lot of the time, they should stop relying on them for business. My thing is, we should stop relying on all this portal for business. हमारा वेबसाइट लीड जनरेशन मशीन बनना चाहिए, पैसे बनाने का मशीन बनना चाहिए. हजारों क्लाइंट आए, आपको जाने, आपका गुडविल बने, ये हमारा एम होना चाहिए. So that is what I would like to say. And thank you everyone. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for every one of you to be here. So please go to Reality Tech Guru on Facebook now. It is Reality Tech Guru on Instagram now. Dono. Reality Tech Guru is the Facebook page. We also have a website, but we're just starting. So I will type that here. Give me a moment, guys. This chat box is going crazy, absolutely crazy. Thank you so much. So realitytechguru.com and Reality Tech Guru on Instagram, Reality Tech Guru on Facebook. The first 50 guys who go and like my page, I have a secret special resource for all of you, a very secret special resource. So please go there, please like me, please encourage me. You know, I will need encouragement from you guys to do session. Trust me, it takes a lot of time. This presentation that you saw, it took me 5 hours last night. I slept at 4 a.m. today morning. From 12 till 4, I was preparing this presentation because I didn't want to give you a lot of masala or a gyan. I wanted to share what I am doing and मुझे result आ रहा है. तो अगर मुझे result आ रहा है तो आप सबको भी आ सकते हैं. So thank you everyone and see you soon. Namaskar.